Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you something a little different from our normal range of furniture care and repair products. Today I'm talking kitchenware and the best way to maintain your chopping block using our cutting board oil and cutting board conditioner. First things first, a good chopping block is an essential bit of kit in the kitchen. It's a tool which should be looked after and taken care of, and it will provide you with many years of service. But why would you do anything other than just clean your chopping board? Well, wood is absorbent, and untreated wood can soak up liquids from food that can cause a build-up of bacteria and foul odours over time. The wood can dry out and become brittle and be in danger of cracking. Therefore, regular maintenance is a must if you want to prolong the life of the wood. Our cutting board oil and cutting board conditioner is the perfect partnership for protecting, maintaining and restoring kitchen items, including not only cutting boards and butcher blocks, but utensils, wooden bowls and countertops. It's safe to use on all types of wood and bamboo. The cutting board oil should be used to protect, nourish and hydrate unfinished wood. The oil should be applied liberally and can be applied directly to the board. Using a soft cloth, work the oil into the wood nice and evenly, rubbing in the direction of the grain. Our cutting board oil is clear, odourless, tasteless, FDA grade pure mineral oil. It's completely safe for all wooden surfaces that come into contact with food. Enriched with vitamin E used as a stabiliser, this ensures it will never turn rancid when applied, unlike some other oils, and guarantees a long product shelf life. Not only does it preserve the board, it enhances the colour and really brings out the natural grain and beauty of the wood. You should initially apply 2 coats to untreated and new wood, leave any excess to soak in overnight and then buff with a clean cloth. The objective is for the wood to be saturated with the oil so that no other liquids can be absorbed. Reapply the oil once a month or when you feel the wood is drying out again. For maximum protection, you should apply the cutting board conditioner after using the cutting board oil, as it will further protect your wooden kitchenware. It contains the food grade mineral oil along with a natural blend of carnauba wax and beeswax, which will condition the surface of the wood, sealing the cutting board oil in while keeping the moisture out. To use the product, simply apply the conditioner to a clean cloth and rub into the wood in the direction of the grain, making sure to spread it evenly with the cloth. It can also help fill any minor knife marks in the chopping block, rejuvenating the appearance of the wood. Leave for 20 minutes and wipe off any excess conditioner and buff the wood to a nice sheen. The conditioner should be reapplied when the wood looks or feels dry. So, it's as easy as that when it comes to keeping your wooden kitchenware in tip-top condition. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.